megahertz. Please visit our website at www.srh.noaa.gov/LZK. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northern White County in central Arkansas until 8:45 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 2 miles southeast of Gravel Hill, or 13 miles west of Searcy. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Step Rock, Russell, Gravel Hill, Crosby, Velvet Ridge, Sunnydale, Providence, Ledona, Joy, Dewey, Clay, Center Hill, Armstrong Springs, Albion. Here are the latest weather conditions at 8 p.m.